Looking back on this summer, I realized how many beautiful animal encounters I had. Some I'd even forgotten about until I went through my photos. From the busy early summer with young animals staying close to their parents or calling out when they needed them, to the calm preening of Sweden's largest birds, the cranes. I was filming a roe deer in a wetland when suddenly birds began their acrobatics. But before that, I had already witnessed some wonderful moments, so let's start from the beginning. The spot I was heading for lies in the middle of a nature reserve with 2 connected lakes and a marshy area. The marsh was my destination. On the way, I passed the lakes where young waterfowl were busy among the water lilies. As I made my way around the last stretch into the marsh, I heard a familiar sound in the forest close by. The calls of young woodpeckers waiting to be fed. Their parents took turns bringing food to the nest. Later, back with the roe deer I was filming, another surprise appeared. Northern lapwings. I spent a long time trying to capture them in flight, a real challenge. Their markings are quite striking in the air, really different from how they look on the ground. These photos aren't masterpieces, but I think they do capture how the lapwings look in flight. The lapwings weren't the only birds among the water lilies. Common cranes. While not the heaviest, they are the tallest birds in Sweden with their 130 centimeters. And with a wingspan of 2 meters, these birds are massive. At the second of the 2 lakes, I spent time with the common terns, trying to follow their swift, agile movements across the water.